Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com, and in our third section of the lecture topic abortion, we will talk about different methods of abortion. In different methods of abortion, the usually medical abortion is one choice, then surgical methods are also available, and then there are some other methods of abortion also. So medical abortion is usually done by the medicine. It's called mifepristone. Mifepristone, 200 milligram tablets, and this is a progesterone receptor modulator. So mifepristone. The progesterone is very important for the continuation or progress of pregnancy. So this medicine, when it's used, it causes the uterine contractions and leads to the expulsion of product of conception. Usually this medicine is also combined with the misoprostol. Misoprostol also causes release of prostaglandins and cause increased uterine contraction. This is usually for the first 9 weeks of pregnancy, and after 9 weeks of gestation or before usually the 21 weeks are completed. So this is the time mainly for the use of the medical abortion. So first 9 weeks or any time before 21 weeks completed, because after 21 weeks usually this method is not very safe method. So mifepristone is used for medical abortion along with the other medicine known as misoprostol. Surgical methods, we have two methods for surgical abortion. One is the vacuum aspiration, and then dilation and evacuation. In vacuum aspiration, it's a machine that pull the fetus out or the product of conception out once the aspiration is done. And this is here if you see, it's the attachment for the vacuum unit. Usually the vacuum unit is attached, and through that unit the force is applied or suction is applied that pull the product of conception out. And before that, usually the cervix is dilated with the help of the dilators, and then on the cervix, opening of the cervix, the vacuum cup is inserted, and then through that vacuum cup the force is applied. In dilation and evacuation, or dilation and curettage, this is the another. Usually the cervix is dilated with the dilation, and then the product of conception are removed by using the clamp to remove the fetus. This is the umbilical cord here if you see, and this is about 23-week fetus. So before 24-week gestation and after 21 weeks, surgical methods of abortion are better to use. Then some other method of abortion, usually different plant preparations are used. These are the non-medical treatments. So herbal methods of treatment, usually the plant sources are used for this method. And salt poisoning, saline infusion or intraamniotic salt is induced by the help of the syringe, and that can lead to abortion when intraamniotic pressure is raised and causes uterine contraction and expulsion of the fetus. And then hysterotomy. Hysterotomy is the one is hysterectomy, which is the removal of the uterus. Ectomy is removal. Otomy is the procedure in which the uterus is open and the abortion or the product of conception are removed, usually for the little late gestational pregnancy, late in the gestational period, this hysterotomy method is used. So these are some other methods of abortion beside the medical and surgical. So medical, we use the medicine mifepristone with the misoprostol. Both causes uterine contraction. Surgical methods are evacuation and dilation. And evacuation and some other methods are by the help of plant preparation that can be used as abortifacient to induce the uterine contraction and expulsion. Then intraamniotic saline infusion. This is also known as salt poisoning. Saline has salt in it, sodium chloride. So this is intraamniotic infusion in the amniotic fluid, and usually this procedure is done with the help of under the ultrasound. With the help of ultrasound, and you can see, or the doctor can see where to go in. So this procedure is done. And then the third is the hysterotomy, or opening of the uterus, to remove the product of conception or to remove or to do the abortion. So this was about the third section of the lecture topic abortion, in which we covered medical, surgical and some other methods of inducing abortion. Thank you for watching sqadia.com.